Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayomidemxo. This channel focuses on fashion, business, beauty and lifestyle. I did promise that I would show you my birthday haul, everything that I got for my birthday, so I'm excited to show you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see everything that I get up to. I have weekly uploads every Sunday, so you can actually stay up to date with me, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll get a sneak peek of everything that I purchase and buy, and as Ayomidemxo. So I'm going to get right into this video because I'm excited to show you what I got for my birthday. So there are four items I got for my birthday. I'm going to show one that actually just came today from my best friend, and she actually bakes cakes. Her Instagram is Coco Cakes with 2 S's, and she made me these cake pops. Like, I was obsessed. I've already had 2. My other sister has already had 1, but I really do love them as well. So I want to say thank you to Coda to actually get me some cakes and write me a lovely card as well. So that is my first gift. The second gift I got was from my other best friend Rula. She bought me a Zara gift card. Now you guys know I have such a love for Zara, and I've already started looking at their spring summer collection, which I love as well. So thank you to Rula as well. Her birthday is also in February, so we did kind of like a swap, and I got her a Zara gift card too. It was such a hard year last year, and it made me realize that, oh my gosh, like I really don't get my friends gifts for my birthday, for their birthdays. So I really want to actually just appreciate them and just send them a little gift on their birthday, because it was such a hard year last year in 2020. So hopefully we have better days to come. We are coming out of lockdown soon, so I hope you guys are continuing to keep safe too as well. So thank you guys for actually getting me my gifts. The next 2 gifts I actually bought myself, and I sport myself by getting 2 new pairs of shoes. So the first pair of shoes I actually got were from Nike, and they are a pair of Jordan 1s. So I have never actually got any trainers before. You guys know that I'm not really like a trainer person, but I really wanted to actually branch out and get more trainers for myself. I find that I only have 2 pairs of trainers, and I only wear them to work out. So I have my Nike Vapor Maxes in black. I have a pair of Nike Rose shoes which I've just thrown out because they are battered, and I also have like an old pair of Adidas trainers which I do not wear at all. So I really wanted a pair of trainers that I could wear casually with an outfit, and I decided to get my very first pair of Jordan 1s, and these are high tops as well. I know that they come out with limited edition colours every single it's a month or so, and when it came up to my birthday, I noticed that these was a colour that I really did like, so I decided to try and get them. Like, I knew like getting Jordan 1s was like getting like Yeezys, like everyone tries to get them, and so I was actually quite lucky that the first time I wanted to get some Nike Jordans, I actually got them, and it was quite like an ordeal. So I am a US 10, I'm a UK 10 and an EU 41, and I'm just going to show you the shoes that I got. So these are the pair of Nike Jordan 1s, which I really do love. I love the colour, I love the rose gold, I love the pink, I love the yellow and the black. I think this is such a nice Jordan that you can wear during the summertime as well. I think it will just go so well with jeans or like a nice all white outfit. I did wear these with my Zara cream tracksuit, so I'll try and find a picture of me wearing it, but I really did love these as my first pair of Nikes as well. And I also do like that the laces are also white. I know people do change the laces as well, but I really do feel like I've got the Jordan 1 fever. Like, I really feel like I'm going to be a collector because I actually don't have trainers, and the fact that I could actually wear these with any outfit and just be casual, like not everyday heel, not everyday like boots. I really do want to look like I feel like I can wear anything. So this is my first pair of Jordan 1s, which I do love, so hopefully I'm going to try and get some new pair. The colour that I really desperately do want are black and white Jordan 1s, but I know everyone is trying to get them as well, so I know when they first come out it's going to be such an ordeal, so fingers crossed I actually do get a pair. But yeah, I think I'm really into Jordan 1s, even though the first time I put them on they were so hard to get on. I'm not used to wearing high tops, my sister does have a couple, so I was asking her, how do you get this thing on your foot? It was so hard, but eventually I got them on, and I really do think they really look nice when they're dressed down, especially if you're traveling, going to the airport. I need things that I can casually wear. I find that when I buy items for myself, I'm always buying like going out outfits, and then I end up having no casual clothes, which is so annoying. So I feel like I'm just going to be more of like a casual buyer this year. Casual but cute, do you know what I'm saying? So this is my first pair of Jordan 1. So the second pair of shoes are actually a luxury purchase, and I have never actually bought from this brand before. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll kind of know the shoes that I'm talking about. I kept on seeing this brand everywhere since it came out, maybe around 2019, and all of a sudden like everyone loves this brand, and the brand is Bottega. So I love the shoes. I see the shoes every time, and I really didn't know if it was a phase for me. As I said before in previous videos, I really don't like to get things that are kind of like trendy. If I want to buy something, especially if it's luxury, I want to make sure that I can actually wear it for quite a long time. So I got this pair from Bottega, the actual website, since we are still in lockdown in the UK. But I believe, is it by April we're allowed out to like restaurants and maybe shops? But I know finally like June 12th, the UK, fingers crossed, we'll be out of lockdown and we can actually see our friends and family again. Like, it's been such a long time coming. So I bought this pair because I was watching Tamara's YouTube, and she bought this stunning pair of Bottega heels, and I believe she got the mint color ones. But I was really looking for a pair of shoes that I could wear all year round, and trying to build like my staple colors first, and then when later I can start adding color to my wardrobe too. So I got the pair of sandals in a color that I thought would be most suited for me. So I'm just going to come out the dust bag, and I really do love Bottega's green box. Like, I really find it so nice as well, and I'm just going to get it out the dust bag for you. And I hope you guys, I wonder if you guys can guess the colour. So I got these brown leather gold strap sandals, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They are so comfortable. I wore them on my birthday. I'll try and insert a picture here so you guys can see, but it just looks so lovely and understated. The heel height is perfect. I find that as I'm getting older, I really don't like really high heels anymore. I really do love a heel that I can wear throughout the day. So this is perfect to wear like a linen shirt dress, or any shirt dress of your choice. You can wear it with a pair of jeans, or you can dress it up in the evening by wearing like a silk slip dress. And I absolutely just love the pair of heels, the way they fit comfortably around the ankle, the way they sit. I love the square toe front. It's just so elegant as well, and I love the fact that it has like the bottom. It just makes it so comfortable for you to wear. But this heel is so gorgeous. I'll show you the other pair now. Like, look at these heels. Like, look at these heels. They are so stunning. Like, I really do love them. Like, they were comfortable. Like, the one thing about Bottega I've heard, and now from actually wearing them, is that their heels are so comfortable. If you really don't like heels that are uncomfortable and you want a nice pair of luxury designer heels, I would highly recommend going in and trying Bottega heels, because they are so comfortable as well, and they absolutely look gorgeous. I believe the other colors they had in this particular style were lilac, yellow, mint green, and then they had ebony. But because I really wanted a staple color first, I decided to go to ebony first. But look at these, they are so lovely. I hope I'm doing these shoes justice, because they're sensational. I'll try and show pictures of me wearing it, but because we're in lockdown, I haven't done my toes, and normally I love to do like a gel polish and pedicure, but I think it's very unlikely that I'm going to show these shoes with my feet in it. So I'm just going to show you them now, and hopefully you can get like a glimpse of it. But yeah, these are the shoes I got for my birthday, which I love. Like, I'm so in love with Bottega. The one thing is though, like, I love Bottega the brand, but I find their bags way too expensive. Like, I'm not going to spend $2.5–3 grand on a bag from Bottega. Like, I'd rather save up more of my money and get a Chanel double flap, because I feel like with Bottega, it's such a brand where I can't just spend that much on a bag with them. I don't know what it is. Let me know if you guys think as well. But I really do love their shoes, and they come out with a new collection, their SS21 collection, and it's like this bamboo colour, stunning pair of shoes, sandals. and I really feel like I really want them, but that's if I'm going on holiday. If I decide to go on holiday this year and Boris permits us to do so, I will probably buy them. But another pair of shoes that I really do want are some Nolos. I feel like they're so beautiful. I feel like they're so sophisticated, and I really did want a pair of Amina Muadis, but I've been hearing that the quality of them aren't that good. So if you actually have a pair of Amina Muadis, let me know if you find that the quality of the shoe is good for the price. I really want to buy, that's why I'm tending to buy more luxury shoes, because of the quality. But if the quality of the shoe isn't that good, I don't see why you would spend so much money on it. So those are the items that I've got for my birthday. I want to say thank you once again for my friends and family for reaching out and messaging me and giving me calls. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and if there's anything that you do want to see, whether it be a review, fashion, beauty, business or lifestyle, just let me know and I can record that video for you. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.